You ready? We're back. Okay, shall we go? Welcome back to American Idol. One more for you tonight. This guy recently turned from a pussycat into a lion. Simon's words, not mine. Here's this woman's work from Michael Lynche. Let's go, Mike.
Pray God you can call. I'll stand outside. This woman's word, this woman's word. Ooh, it's hard on a man. Now his part is over. Now starts the cry of the father. Give me this moment. Give me your hand. Oh, should be crying, but I just can't let it go. Baby, should be hoping, but I can't stop thinking of all the things we should have given, but we didn't. Oh, darling, make it go. Just make it go away.
Dog. Yo. Wait a minute. Hang on. Really? Really? Yo, man, I gotta give it to you again, dog. This is crazy. What? Yo, listen. For everybody that doesn't know, it was dope. It was unbelievable. I want to call Maxwell on the phone and say, yo, Big Mike is knocking on the door, dog. We're ready. But listen, the last note, for you to hear that chord with the, oh, man, I was like, what? Yo, Mike, that was hard.
Thank you, Randy.
What?
One of my favorite songs, and oh my God, that was so beautiful, and it feels like the show just began. You are the one to beat now. The show just began.
I've never cried after hearing something like that. It's amazing. You were amazing. And it's so relevant for you, and I can feel it. You know, it's your life right now. It's your respect for your wife, what you've gone through. And as a woman who doesn't have a child, I can relate to it so much, and it brought me to tears. It was amazing.
Good job. And Simon, oh.
He really is nice.
I don't know what to say now. Look, it was, as Ellen said, this was so neat. This was so needed tonight. Because, you know, if you think back to the beginning of the show, it was all a little bit boring, It was a bit worthy. You come out with an incredibly difficult song to sing, and you 100% nailed it. Not just the best performance of the night, it's the best performance we've had of all these live shows so far.
Playing to win, huh? Playing to win. And moving all over the stage out here. You're working it. When you're working it over here, 1-866-IDOL-08, 1-866-436-5708. If you're with AT&T, you can text the word VOTE to 5708. Mike, good job, man. That was great. Very good. Come here. We're going to show you the numbers one more time.